Linda, how does this make you feel about a trade deal getting done and who has the control?
Well, I think there's going to be some sort of a trade deal. I mean, I think the market generally does as well. But the idea that they're having to push off some time frame indicates that they're not close enough to where, I think, to where the leaders, or at least our leader, thinks that it would be enough to satisfy the markets and his constituency. And so the fact they've taken this long, something still ought to come out of it.
Actually, Linda, let's talk about what kind of deal it might be if a deal gets done. And that is to say, are they going to have a weaker deal in order to get it done quickly? We heard from Gary Cohn, the former economic advisor to the president, overnight on the radio, saying in part, quote, I think the U.S. is desperate right now for an agreement. The president needs a win. Sir. The only big open issue right now that he could claim as a big win would be getting that deal done with China. If, in fact, they go ahead and they get a deal done, but it's pretty weak, what does that do to the stock market?
Well, I think the stock market has a lot of the bounce that it's made since December, end of December, has been related to some of these deals getting done. And I don't think the market has been expecting a tremendous amount from that. So I still think that both sides really need to get a deal done and that they will get a deal done. And regardless, it doesn't matter because the big issues are things that have to be pushed off well into the future. So whatever they can talk about, maybe we can make some sort of agreement where we have regular meetings and make sure that they're not cheating, et cetera. That's all that I think really that our leaders are trying to get out of it so they can say that to the base.